My name is Sana Musasama. I'm from the New York City area, St. Albans, Queens, and I am a MFA graduate from Alfred. I came this summer as a 141 resident. Me and Lydia Thompson are here for 3.5 weeks as residents to work freely in the studio to develop some ideas that we have at home. I'm working on the House series. It's a body of work that I actually began here at Alfred in 1983 when I came here for summer session. I'm returning to this body of work after 45 years because it was work that brought me tremendous joy. And at my time in life, where I am in the world, I want joy. So I've come here to return to it. You're meeting new people all the time. And then also the other thing I was thinking about this morning is there are 5 people here that have been coming for the last 35 years. 5 that have been coming for the last 35 years. So is this not a great place to come? I would highly encourage this as a place to come and work, create, and connect. Absolutely. I mean, the kiln yard is like you died and gone to ceramic heaven. I mean, seriously. It's serious. Everyone should have this experience.